Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to apply automatic border in Microsoft Excel. So get ready started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then show the Excel document from the apply automatic border. Now click for the select for the all. Now going to the home menu option. Now click for the conditional formatting option. Now click for the new rules option. Then click for the use formula determine. Now click for the font below in the interface. Now keyboard press from the equal and type from the A1. Then keyboard press from the less than and greater than. Then keyboard press from the double quotation, again double quotation. Now click for the format option. Now click for the borders option. Then click for the outline option. Now click for the OK. Then OK. That's it. Then type from the that's it. Then I show the apply automatic border in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.